We are obsessed with our house. Every day, we've been in here for a year, and still, every day we go, we are so lucky.
My name is Ninh. I'm a realtor, a member of the National Association of Realtors. So you will always want your clients to be happy and try to find the exact characteristic in the house that they're looking for. The key difference to being a very successful realtor is having that passion on a day-to-day basis.
Welcome to our home in New Orleans. Come on in. To be perfectly honest, it wasn't even a consideration before we came here that we would end up living here, but after spending one day, we realized New Orleans is absolutely where we are meant to be.
New Orleans offers that sense of enjoyment and the pleasures in life that a lot of people sort of take for granted.
It's very slow and calm, and the people here are just incredibly friendly.
They want to share their stories and recipes with you.
The food here is great.
The architecture, the history.
The music, it's everywhere all the time.
You definitely don't need a coat closet, but you may need a costume closet. That's because we have 130 festivals.
Tim and I tend to get really swept up and make impulsive decisions.
I'm a Libra, so I like to be balanced.
We were thinking we wanted to do a huge renovation, and some of the houses that we thought, oh, we can do this, we can do that. He was like, okay, but think about, this is actually gonna probably take you this long, and it's really gonna cost you more than you think. So having his voice of reason was the most valuable thing to us.
Homes in New Orleans are older homes, and we're also in a very hot climate, so that comes with its challenges.
Ninh talked us through a lot of things when it comes to New Orleans homes, because it's definitely different from buying a house elsewhere.
Because we're below sea level, you have to consider the foundation and the elevation of the house. It's important to have a realtor that is local, that knows these challenges and can help you address these challenges and make you feel more comfortable buying a home.
Going into the home buying process, we definitely had a list of things and criteria that we were looking for, although it evolved over time.
Part of our job is to help clients visualize what the house could be, the potential it has. Liz and Tim already came with that ability. Tim is extremely handy and can build anything. And so with that combination, they could see the potential in every home that we saw.
When we originally started looking, we thought we wanted to find something that was a double, so divided in half and half, where we could rent out one side and live in the other side, because we thought that could maybe help supplement our mortgage payments.
A big component of real estate is, can you afford this house? And what does it mean to have a mortgage? What does it mean to have insurance?
I think after he talked to us more and got to know us better, he kind of knew that we didn't really want to have someone living in the same house as us, but we felt like we had to. And guiding us through other options that we had and talking through our finances made us realize that we could get more than we thought we could. And he was right.
Owning a home is a pretty significant milestone in someone's life. And being able to help them be a first-time home buyer or a first-time home buyer in New Orleans, those experiences are very meaningful to me. And to be a part of that milestone is pretty significant and pretty important, and something that I take very, very seriously.
The thing I love best about being a homeowner is having the freedom to do whatever I want without having to ask anyone, except for maybe Tim. But I'll still do it anyways. The whole experience was amazing and absolutely worth it. The home buying process was so much fun. I cannot believe this is our house. We really, really lucked out, and there's nothing that we don't love about it, knock on wood.